Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to move measures from one table to another table in Power BI. This is a useful skill when you're organizing your data model and want to keep related measures grouped together for better structure and easier navigation. Let's start by opening your Power BI desktop application. Once you have it open, you'll need to switch to the appropriate view for this task. On the left side of your screen, you'll see several view options. Click on Model View to change your workspace. This view gives you a comprehensive look at all your tables and their relationships, making it perfect for managing measures and understanding how your data connects. Now that you're in Model View, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. Here you'll see a section labeled Data. This area displays all your tables and the measures associated with them. Take a moment to locate the specific measure you want to move to another table. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This selection is important because it tells Power BI which measure you want to work with. After clicking on your chosen measure, look over to the right side of your screen again. You should now see a Properties panel appear. This panel contains all the configuration options for the measure you just selected. The Properties section is where Power BI lets you adjust various settings and attributes for your measures, including which table they belong to. Within the Properties panel, find the option labeled Home Table. This is the key setting that determines which table your measure is currently assigned to. Click on the drop-down menu directly under Home Table. This will reveal a list of all available tables in your data model. From this drop-down list, choose the table where you want to move the measure. Simply click on your desired destination table. Power BI will immediately reassign the measure to this new home table, updating your data model structure accordingly. And that's it. Your measure has now been successfully moved to its new table. This simple process helps you maintain a clean, organized data model where measures are logically grouped with their related tables, making your Power BI reports easier to manage and understand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.